Hey traders, welcome back to SAM Trading Strategies, the place where trading gets easy, exciting, and effective. In today's video, I'm sharing one of the most powerful binary trading strategies I've tested. And guess what? It's super simple, works great for beginners and pros, and uses just 3 simple moving average indicators. Yes, only 3 indicators. No complicated setup, no confusion. In fact, this strategy can help you trade smarter with more confidence. Important, I'll share the exact settings of these 3 moving averages in this video ahead, so make sure you watch this video till the end. But before we go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and tap the bell icon so you never miss out on new trading tips and strategies we share every week. Quick disclaimer, binary trading involves financial risk. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Always trade responsibly, and never risk money you can't afford to lose. Now, let's quickly break down the strategy rules. When the 3 moving averages cross, and the blue line is on top, while the red line is at the bottom, take a sell trade. When the 3 moving averages cross, and the red line is on top while the blue line is at the bottom, take a buy trade, use 15-second candles, and set your trade expiry to 1 minute. Best times to trade: European session and New York session. Avoid trading during major news events. Price can become unpredictable. Risk management tips: always trade smart. Stay calm. Don't trade with emotions. Risk only 1% to 5% of your capital per trade. Never risk more than 10% of your account. Start with a demo account to practice. Backtest this strategy on historical charts for better confidence. Also, don't forget to check the video description for full indicator setup, bonus tips, and helpful resources to level up your trading. Ready to watch this strategy in live action? Let's jump into a real trade example and see how it performs in the market. Let's go. Now let's look at this real trade I've taken using this strategy. As you can see on the screen, the 3 simple moving averages, SMAs, have just crossed each other. The blue SMA is now on top, and the red SMA has moved to the bottom. This is a perfect confirmation for a sell trade according to our strategy rules. Look at the red candles forming. This is a strong downward trend, showing clear bearish momentum. I entered the sell trade right after the crossover, and you can see how the price is dropping below our entry point. So far, the trade is going in our favor, and that's exactly what we want to see. This strategy works best in clear trending markets, so always check for market conditions before placing your trade. In just a few seconds, we'll see the final result of this trade, and it looks like it's going to be a winner. And yes, we won this trade. You can see the green profit tag on the chart. A successful sell trade with a solid entry and perfect execution. Let's stay focused and prepare for the next winning opportunity. All right, traders, here's another live example. I've just taken a sell trade. Let's break it down. Once again, we can clearly see that all 3 simple moving averages have crossed each other. The blue line is on top, and the red line has dropped to the bottom. Exactly what we look for before placing a sell trade. This setup signals that the market is likely to continue moving downward, and we want to take full advantage of that. As soon as the crossover confirmed and a strong red candle formed, I took a quick 1-minute sell trade using the 15-second time frame. Let's watch this trade play out. All right, traders, this time the trade didn't go in our favor, and that's okay. You can see here, we followed the exact same rules of the strategy. The 3 SMAs gave us a proper sell signal. The crossover was clear, and the trend looked bearish. But sometimes, even a perfect setup doesn't guarantee a win. This is the reality of trading. Not every trade will be a winner, and we need to accept losses as part of the game. What's important is to stick to your strategy, follow proper risk management, and never let one loss affect your mindset. Let's stay focused and wait for another clean setup. Consistency and discipline always win in the long run. All right, traders, I've just taken another sell trade based on our strategy rules. Let's take a closer look at why I entered this trade. All 3 simple moving averages have once again crossed each other clearly, and now the blue SMA is on top and the red SMA has moved down to the bottom. That's our signal to enter a sell trade. The candles are also confirming the trend. Strong red candles are forming, showing clear bearish momentum. This setup gives us high confidence that the price will likely move further down. The secret to success with this strategy is to wait patiently for this perfect crossover and only enter the trade after confirmation, not before. Even though we had a losing trade earlier, we're staying disciplined and only taking trades when the signal is strong and clear. Let's stay tuned and watch how this trade performs. It's looking good so far. We won this trade, and it played out beautifully. Just look at that strong downtrend. Our entry was spot on, right after the perfect crossover of the moving averages. The market gave us clear confirmation with those solid red candles, and we locked in a great profit. All right, traders, now let's quickly go over the exact settings of the 3 simple moving averages used in this strategy. These are the indicators that made this strategy so powerful and easy to follow. SMA 1, period, 7, type, SMA 2, period, 9, type, SMA 3, period, 14, type, SMA. You can set these up easily on your chart by selecting Moving Average, adjusting the period as shown above, and choosing your favorite colors to keep things clear. Once all 3 SMAs are added, watch closely for the crossover, follow the strategy rules as shown earlier, and always apply proper risk management. Before you go, don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, share it with your trader friends, subscribe to SAM Trading Strategies, tap the bell icon so you never miss our weekly trading setups and tutorials. Check the description below. I've added full indicator setup, strategy summary, bonus trading tips, and a link to trading platform. If you want more powerful strategies like this, let me know in the comments below, and I'll make a video just for you. Until then, stay disciplined, stay focused, and keep trading smart. See you in the next video. Happy trading!